Welcome to behind the scenes. This is the wrap skirt I made last week. To wear it, you just tie it the way you tie wrapper and tie it at the back, and then it has external pockets. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved these external pockets. For the pocket, I cut out the fabric. The width of this fabric, the wideness of the is 15 and quarter. 15 and quarter, and then the height is about 14 inches. Just remaining 1/8 to get to 14 inches. Remaining 1/8 to get to 14 inches. And then the next thing I did was just to fold it and iron it. Then for this upper part, I folded with 1/2 inch first, then now folded with 1 inch. So I'm going to use this to create a casing for the elastic. I'm going to be using a 1 inch elastic wide, and then this elastic, this is for 2. So right now I have 12 inches, and I'll just cut the elastic into 2. So I've also folded this down part. So this will be the down part, this will be the top. So for this down part, I'll run a gather stitch on it. While for this upper part, I just stitch this opening down. So once I do that, I'm going to have this. So I've already created the casing for the elastic, and then I have run the gather stitch at the down part. So what I need to do for this down part is just to pull the gather stitch so that it can bring the pocket to about 8 inches wide. So to do that, just take your seam ripper and separate this thread here. You separate the front thread from the back so that you can pull it. You do the same for this other side as well. And I go ahead and measure. So one more thing, this edge, I'm going to be folding it in to sew the side of the skirt, to sew the side of the pocket. So when I'm pulling it, I'll pull it to be 4.5. So this is okay. So I'll check the other side. This is also okay. So the next is to pass the elastic. To pass the elastic, I'll be using the safety pin. Pin it on it like this, and then I just pass it through. So once it's in like this, I will stitch here down. So I'll keep pulling the elastic. So this is what I'm going to have. So I also stitch here down. So this is it. So I want to use my iron to just fold this side. I'll fold it down with 1/2 inch and press it. I'll do same for this side. So it's ready. You go ahead and attach to your skirt. I'm going to be attaching to this wrap skirt. So thanks for watching. This is where we end behind the scene today. Until next time when I come your way again, I remain Joidala.